Hello, English learners. This is Maestro Cersei with some great news. We now have our own audio-video chat room / conferencing room where we can have big lectures of over 500 participants as well as audio-video chat sessions. Let me show you to our new chat room. We go to cersei.com website and we click on Chatroom. Here it says, here is our official chat room that allows up to 500 website visitors to chat in audio, video, text. This is a great opportunity for our visitors to practice communicating in English. The more you write in English, the better your writing becomes. We will also use this conference room for our American English conferences, webinars, live chats, and live streaming events. Click here to access our chat room conference room. So you click here. And you type your name. I'm going to type it as Elvis. And we click OK to allow audio on this page. And this is the room. Notice it says eLearning USA Conference Room. Your name appears here and you get a flag so everybody knows which country you are from. Now, it says here you are online. You can also select online, offline, away, not available, on phone, in private, I am a moderator, or I have a question. So if you have a question, you select that and it shows here. I have a question. Okay, now how do you talk? You simply click on Talk Now. And we click Allow. Hello everybody, how are you? Good to see you. Welcome to our online chat room. Nice to see everybody. Welcome. Please use this chat room to communicate with other English learners, to practice your English writing, to practice your English communication. This is a great opportunity for you to interact with other English learners from other parts of the world, make new friends, collaborate, and interact. So, I will see you later. Okay? We will have some live chat sessions here. We will have some lessons and workshops here in this room. But until then, please visit this room so that you can practice with your colleagues. Okay? I'm going to click on Talk Now again. And that's it. You can communicate in audio, video. You can communicate via text. For example, you can type here, hello, how is everyone? How are you today? Okay, so everybody can see what you type. So this way you can communicate with others. Again, on the right-hand side, you can see who is available in the room. On the bottom, you can type here. You can type and communicate with others. Okay, so please use our chat room so you can connect with other English learners. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you in our chat room.